Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
Oh, there we go. That's a really nice building. Dang. You just don't really know what you're gonna see. And you also have all the signs right here too. So these signs also kind of give people indirect direction of where to go. So you got Monch Fortress, you have Sao Paulo Ruins. I think you might be able to see Sao Paulo Ruins. So they're all, this is kind of always a bottleneck of crowded people up all the way up to Sao Paulo Ruins. I guess we'll just go back up to our Target Street here. Kind of a cool image. Okay, so we're in Macau. We're kind of in a little alley right here, so we're going to be going down this way and also going this way and checking out that and that little shrine. Got Tutigong and Tudipo. And we'll just kind of check out this whole little alley, and then we're going to end up down where there's a ton of tourists because it's Chinese New Year. And we'll capture some of the restaurants and we'll capture some of the street along our way. So, stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so let's start on our street. So yeah, I think we're gonna go that way first, then we're gonna come that way, and we'll highlight the name of the street as well. We're basically in this little alley. So come along with me. And this is actually really attractive right away. I don't know what it is exactly, but I like the fact that it's a yin yang, and this actually has a dragon on it as well, which is, this has been here a long time, but the dragon, it's year 2024, which is the year of the dragon. So that's actually kind of interesting that that's also the case at this time. We're going to be heading out this way in a moment, and you can see Lisboa Casino straight up that way as well. So we're going to highlight that in a moment at the same time. So so let's head back this way, and we're just going to see what's in our alley here. The one thing you're going to see right away is Tudigong, the earth god, and Tudipo, earth goddess. They're right there. So they have a little shrine in the alley. And then this one is kind of interesting too, because this is also in the alley, but it's kind of a cool little design. They have this whole corner here. Looks like there's office buildings in there maybe too. Kind of stuff for kids as well. There's let me just see what some of the stuff is. Okay. This one. Hello. So I guess they kind of have the Chinese New Year stuff here too. So there's firecracker things. This is a nice building. Let me just kind of capture it a little bit from the corner. Oh, there we go. That's a really nice building. Dang. Yeah, actually, you just don't really know what you're gonna see because we were basically deep in an alley, right? But yeah, you got all these windows that all have this little corner piece. It's too bad they just look at to another apartment, but if this was not like that, that'd be amazing. And then check out that rooftop way up there too. And this is where we're at. Beco de Faca or Faca? I'm not sure which. I would usually say Faca. But I think in Portuguese they'll put a little trill thing at that spot. So it'll be like, so it'll be an S. So at the S, I think it's probably, and I'm gonna guess this is a private residency, but let me just, yeah, it says, so there's a surveillance, but it looks like it's actually a little thing. There's another little thing here too. Yeah, check that out. I would love to go up in there. So let's head back down. Looks like somebody has cigarettes right there. I don't know, looks like that might be the same one, I think. Okay, so we're gonna head on down Beco de Faca. And we're gonna go down to where all the tourists are at. That's just so cool. Man. Let's see if I put this here. Something like that looks amazing, right? Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so we're gonna walk on down. So we're on our Target Street. And check out how skinny that building is too. And if you look way up there, there's actually like a little bit of a thing that connects this building with the next one. And then that rooftop as well. It's really amazing. Okay. It's got all kinds of cool stuff in here. Okay, so let's meander down. Got this giant light right there, so that'll light up at nighttime, so it won't really be that dark. Say goodbye to Tootie Gong and Tootie Po. So this area, usually if I see a lot of Tootie Gong and Tootie Po, it's like more where the Chinese settlements are at, historically, mixed in with the Portuguese area. So we're a little bit where I think this would have developed a little bit later in the Macau history. So this, actually we're going to be going up towards, actually we're going to go down. So we're going to go down that way and kind of give you the whole context. So, and that is kind of more the Portuguese area towards Sao Paulo ruins. And then this goes up towards, there's a fortress up at the top of this hill. So we might actually go down, we're going to go up slightly and then we're going to go down. And there's the year 2024 right there. So it's also Chinese New Year holidays. So let me just kind of go up. So Hua Du Manch. Manch is the name of the fortress. You got Kobe Bryant right here. So I am going to try to capture this corner like that. And you also have all the signs right here too. So these signs also kind of give people indirect direction of where to go. So you got Manch Fortress, you have Sao Paulo ruins. Let me get a little bit closer to this. So there's Sao Paulo ruins right there. St. Dominic's Church, Senado Square, and Mount Forge. And we're going to be heading on down, so we're going to go right into the mess where all the tourists are at. By the way, there's nice temples down this way and up that way too. There's one, a beautiful one up that way. And tons of these little alleys, but we're going to go down to where all the tourists are at. Yeah, right there, all the Chinese lanterns up there. That's a nice little shrine right there. It's like really quaint, like a garden. Whoever keeps that one intact, they just do a great job. Okay, so our Target Street was here on the right. I'll just show you what it looks like from the side. So there's Beco de Faca. And then that's that little yin yang sign right there, which is kind of cool looking. Inviting little alley. You wouldn't think that there's that beautiful shop down there as well. So close. This fusion, this is like a Portuguese Chinese fusion restaurant, and they do like catering. They usually post up over there. Let me just kind of walk back a little bit. I hadn't noticed the windows before, but they usually are always trying to get people to come up the hill a little bit. And they got their giant tomato there. It's called Tomato Fusion Restaurant. Fusion Portuguese and Chinese. Very popular with the Chinese because I think it kind of caters towards the Chinese palate while giving them a taste of Portuguese as well. So we're going to come into this busy little space. And then down here we have all the tourists. So as you can see, there's a big lineup over here. And they're all getting limoncello. So that's a kind of a popular place, this little limoncello place. Then down this way, that goes all the way down to Sao Paulo ruins. So if you follow that down, it goes all the way down. So of course there's some really beautiful things everywhere in this area. We're just gonna go down to the corner. Then we're gonna come back. So down that way. I think you might be able to see Sao Paulo ruins. So they're all, this is kind of always a bottleneck of crowded people up all the way up to Sao Paulo ruins. And then you have lots of stuff for the temple because of the, I think the Chinese New Year, there's a lot more of it. Let's go up this way. So we're gonna head on back. We're gonna go back to where we were just at a little while ago. So, okay. So we're just gonna go, I'll just kind of show you where this goes exactly. This way it goes down towards, this is Paya Street that we're on. And that goes all the way down to Senado Square. So Senado Square is down that way, Portuguese Embassy, Portuguese bookstore is up that way, down where that yellow building is at called Fencel. And this is our little square, kind of at the base of our street. And then this one kind of goes, it's kind of nice, it's nice around this area. And then basically we were at, right over there, that's where Faca is at. So this is basically just a little alley on this street right here. And this is called Vila de Monte. So very, very nice. Okay. So we're gonna end it and we'll just I guess we'll just go back up to our Target Street here. Kind of a cool image. Okay. All right. Kind of nice. Oh, I like those lanterns up there. Okay, so there's our Target Street right there. And then if you'll notice, there's like a quietness, a serenity as you come in here. There we go. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.